The NSV, Russian, is a 12.7 mm caliber heavy machine gun of Soviet origin, named after the designers, G. I. Nikitin, Y. S. Sokolov, and V. I. Volkov. It was designed to replace the DSHK machine gun and was adopted by the Soviet Army in 1971. It is no longer being produced in Russia. The manufacturing license for the NSV ended up in Kazakhstan after the breakup of the Soviet Union. The NSV has been manufactured in Bulgaria, India, Poland, and Yugoslavia under license. The NSV weighs 25 kilograms, 55 pounds, has a rate of fire of 700 to 800 rounds per minute, and an effective range from 1500 m, 1600 yd, to 2000 m, 2200 yd, against airborne and ground targets, respectively. A loaded ammunition belt with 50 rounds weighs 11 kilograms, 24 pounds. The NSVT version is used on the T-72, T-64, and T-80 tanks. The new cord machine gun has replaced worn-out NSVs. History. The Soviet Army began looking for a new heavy machine gun to replace its older SGM and DSHK machine guns in the early 1950s. The Soviet Army liked the idea behind the German MG-42, a versatile weapon used on a variety of mounts to perform many different roles. Two Soviet weapon designers were asked to design one weapon each utilizing the same principle. Testing approved Mikhail Kalashnikov's solution. It was found to be more reliable and cheaper to manufacture than the design of Grigory Nikitin and Yuri Sokolov. Kalashnikov's machine gun became the new standard machine gun, and was named PK. Nikitin's and Sokolov's design was however not forgotten. It was developed into the heavy NSV machine gun about 10 years later and selected in 1969 as the successor to the DSHK/DSHKM machine gun. It was accepted in service by the Soviet Army in 1971. The machine gun was also license manufactured in Bulgaria, India, Yugoslavia, and Poland. The Yugoslavian version of the NSVT is called the M87. Production of the NSV has ended in Russia, and it is currently being replaced by the cord heavy machine gun. The Russian army needed a more accurate heavy machine gun, and it has also been increasingly difficult to get hold of spare parts. NSV production was located in Ukraine and in Kazakhstan and was disrupted by the end of the Soviet Union. Use in Finland. The NSV is called 12,7 IT 96 or 12,7 Ilmatar Gintakona Kivari 96, and, in military slang, the ITKO, in Finland. It is often used as a vehicle-mounted machine gun, and can be seen on the PASI armored personnel carrier, the Nasu transport vehicle and the Leopard 2R tank. Due to its high rate of fire, the NSV is intended to be used as a close-range anti-aircraft weapon against helicopters, UAVs, and aircraft. In dismounted ground combat it is placed on a special mount. The Finnish Navy also uses the NSV in the anti-aircraft role, where it complements other unguided anti-aircraft weapons like the 23 ITK-95, Bofors 40 Mk3 or Bofors 57 Mk2 and Mk3. Variants. 12,7 IT 96, Finnish designation. Guns acquired from Soviet Union, Russia, and Germany. M87 NSVT, Serbian license-built version by Zastava Arms. The M87 has seen use with the armies of the former Yugoslav states. NSW, Polish version, license-built NSV. WKMB, Polish version adapted for NATO standard .50 BMG ammunition. KT 12,7, Ukrainian version. MGU, Bulgarian version. Users. Azerbaijan, Armenia, Belarus, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Bulgaria, produced by Arsenal. Cyprus, mounted and used on T-80U tanks. Czech Republic, Egypt, mounted and used on T-80U tanks. Finland, Georgia, India, manufactured NSVT at Ordnance Factory Tirakirapalli of the Ordnance Factories Board. Iraq, Kazakhstan, Kuwait, mounted and used on M84 tanks. Macedonia, used by Army of the Republic of Macedonia. Mauritius, used on patrol craft. Mongolia. Namibia, used by Namibian Marine Corps. North Korea. Poland, manufactured at ZM Tarnow as NSW. Poland also developed their own machine gun based on NSV and chambered to .50 BMG NATO round, known as WKMB. Russian Federation. Serbia, manufactured at Zastava Arms. Copies were produced as the M02 Coyote. Sierra Leone. South Korea, mounted and used on T-80U tanks. Soviet Union. Syria. Ukraine. Vietnam, produced locally. Type heavy machine gun. Place of origin Soviet Union. Service history. In service 1971 present. Used by Sea Operators Section. Wars: Soviet War in Afghanistan. Nagorno-Karabakh War. Gulf War. Afghan Civil War. War in Afghanistan. Lebanese Civil War. Iraq War. 2008 South Ossetia War. Syrian Civil War. Iraqi Civil War, 2014 present. War in Donbass. Yemeni Civil War, 2015 present. Production history. Designer G.I. Nikaitin, Y.S. Sokolov, V.I. Volkov. Designed Central Design Bureau of Sports and Hunting Weaponry, Tula, 1969. Manufacturer Metal List, Uralsk, Kazakh SSR, Krivina Zastava Serbia. Produced 1971 present. Variants NSVT. Specifications. Weight 25 kg, 55.12 pounds, gun only. 41 kg, 90.39 pounds, on tripod. 11 kg, 24.25 pounds, 50 round belt. Length 1560 mm, 61.4 in. Cartridge 12.7 x 108 mm. Caliber 12.7 mm. Action gas operated. Rate of fire 700-800 rounds/min. Muzzle velocity 845 m/s, 2772 feet/s. Effective firing range 1.5 km versus air, maximum 2 km versus ground targets. Feed system 50 round belt. Sights iron sights.
Please subscribe and thanks for watching.